Alright, today we have a Bluetooth remote controller. The idea is this is going to be used with that VR headset that I ordered the other day, or VR adapter mount, whatever, for my phone. This way I have a tiny controller to use with it. So this is a really small controller. I'd say it's about the size of a Nintendo Wii Nunchuck. On it we have a Android and an iOS switch, so it should be compatible with both of them. Underneath we have our battery pack. It takes two AA batteries. And let's see if there's any lights that pop on whenever we plug it in. I mean, since it is Bluetooth, obviously we should see some lights come on whenever we do try to plug it in. Hey, look at that. So these are AA batteries. This in here says AA battery, but there is no way that two AA batteries are going to fit. Only have one AAA available right now. So please make a note of that. You need AAAs, not AAs for this. But then once you put in the AAA, it works just fine. So there is a controller, or a directional, a D-pad right here. You know, your thumb seems to go around it easy enough. Looks like it'll probably do the job. And then you've got some additional buttons. You've got a power button, some at button, or the A symbol, and then an A, B, C, and D. So it looks like it should be pretty simple. I'm trying to compare it to you know, like an Xbox or a Wii, which would only have, you know, the two buttons on the actual stick, but it doesn't have this part. So I don't know, it kind of and then there's two more buttons over here too. So I guess if you wanted to hold it this way, you could probably hold it this way and push these buttons too. It is awkward to switch between those. You know, the controller is kind of, it feels like it's grippy, but it's kind of slick. So if I'm holding it like this and I want to switch between those two buttons up there, you know, it's difficult to get my finger up to the top one, and then I feel like my finger's in a more natural spot below it, unless my thumb is on the stick, in which case I'm actually pushing the stick forward to hold the controller where it needs to be held, and then it would be difficult to hit these buttons at the same time as I'm hitting any of those two. So, so the grip is ergonomic, but we'll see as far as actually pushing the buttons, like which ones are useful. I'm assuming it's going to be programmable, so I'll have to program which buttons I want each thing to do. And then after I've used it for a while, I'll write up a review and let you guys know how it works. But that's pretty much the unboxing. Any questions, comments, let me know. I did get it for free in exchange for the review. And thanks a lot.